Right, now that we know the chain rule, we can now differentiate with respect to x each of the following using the chain rule. So we've got 1 over 3 minus 2x to the power of 4, and b, the square root of 3 minus 2x. So let's look at these individually. So put a, we've got y is equal to, now because a to the minus n is 1 over a, so applying that backwards, that means that 1 over 3 minus 2x to the power of 4 will become 3 minus 2x to the minus 4. If we let u be equal to 3x minus 2x, then that means that y will be equal to u to the minus 4. Then if we differentiate each term, so du by dx will be minus 2 from this. We're going to be careful with the minus signs here. And if we differentiate this, we're going to get dy by du is equal to minus 4u to the minus 5. Right, applying the chain rule, which says dy by dx is equal to dy by u times du by dx. That means minus 4u to the minus 5, dy by du from here, times minus 2. Put everything into brackets, and then minus 2 times minus 4 gives me 8, and then replace the bracket, which is u, which is 3 minus 2x to the minus 5. And then if we apply this in reverse, which I think I'd do over here, we're going to get 8 over 3 minus 2x to the power of 5. Now obviously writing this all out is a little bit tedious, so we can go back like I did in the other video and do it like this. So we've got, once we've rewritten this as this, we've got 3 minus 2x to the minus 4. We can bring down the minus 4 in front of the bracket, write down the bracket, and then reduce the power by 1. So minus 5 minus 1 is minus 5, and then remember to differentiate the bracket. This is a bit that people forget. Differentiate the bracket, you get minus 2. Even if when you differentiate the bracket you get 1, you should write this in, otherwise you will forget when you do the process to differentiate the bracket. And then the same idea, minus 2 times minus 4 gives me 8, 3 minus 2x, and again that gives me this. And this is a far easier way, obviously, of doing it. Let's do the other one. So we've got ddx of the square root of 3 minus 2x. So it's going to be ddx of 3 minus 2x to the power of a half, because the square root, a to the half, means the square root of a. So you need to know your rules of indices. So bring down the power, half, write down the bracket, reduce this by 1. So half, take away 1, gives me minus a half. Don't forget to differentiate the bracket, which is minus 2, which is the bit that most people forget. And then if you cancel out the 2, you've still got the minus sign. We're going to have minus 3 minus 2x to the minus a half. So that, rearranging that gives me minus 1 over the square root of minus 2x, using this rule and this rule combined. Okay, so there's been a video to show you how to apply the chain rule to two derivatives. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.